Hi, this is Mark with Right Line Trading. It is 2/5/2015. Haven't made a video. I did make a video on Tuesday or Wednesday. We made money on Tuesday. Yesterday was a hard trading day. Was one of our bigger losing days, and I did a reassessment of our trading. Um, and you know what happens, I believe, is that when you have so many winning days like we have, and you get so, and I mean, in the month of January, we only had 3 losing days, and those losing days were very small net equity down days. You become a little bit complacent, and I think that just mentally you begin to reach. And on Tuesday, I had to trade through. I churned a lot, and we wound up with about $150 of profit for the day. But it was coming, and yesterday I took a shot in the face, and I don't want to hide that from anyone. You'll see it posted. So I really went through all of our trading, and what I found is that you really need to trade with bias and with order flow and with momentum. And when you do take a reasonably well-structured trade, you're almost always going to get a winner. And this morning we were done in an hour, and believe me, it was no accident. Now we had 3 trades, 3 winners, all of them on crude oil, +6, +9, and +12. We had net ticks 27. We made $500. The auto trader took one of the trades that I took, got out at 2 targets with a $300 win. And I will show you the trades. And they were all ultra conservative trades. And I really, sometimes it takes a little bit of a comeuppance to bring you back to basics. And what I took was the break, the retracement, and the move up. And you see I've got candles outlined in blue. So I have order flow and momentum with me on the trade. Background bias is green. That's the color we want. It pushed up for 6. Now some people in the room took this trade. I let it go. It was a decent retracement, but the move up was without background bias. There was a pause here and order flow and momentum. Then I took this trade, the move to the pull back right to the 50. Now the 15's down, 50's down. I knew that once this trade ticked in by looking at my 13 and 21 range, I would immediately get background bias right here. So I took the trade short, and it went down for 12 ticks. And then we had our beautiful trade. Retracement right into the 15, background bias, order flow, and momentum. Now I scaled it at 9. It really went 14 ticks. It doesn't change our net equity, but it did go 14 because it took the auto trader out. And it actually went further than that because this was not a 10-tick retracement on a 10-tick trailer. This trade is actually, it retraces here, but never makes a 10-tick retracement. It's really a 31-tick trade. And this is just for our own purposes because we put them on a spreadsheet of seeing how he would have done on a runner, so that the 9-tick trade actually becomes 31 ticks. So that's 22 ticks more. So that becomes 49. It doesn't change the net equity at all. So that was it. We were 3 and out. The last trade was taken at 9:14 in the morning. We started at 8:15. We were in the room an hour. You see we did have an additional trade right here. But once we're 3 and out, we have $500 clean on 3 trades. Wasn't going to risk it, but this trade was a nice trade. Had background bias, order flow, momentum, strategy entry, momentum entry. It's a pivot breaking trade that went 18. Would have given us a 4th. But I'm not going to risk our net equity, and this is only on crude. So that's what we're going to stay with. We're going to stay with a very, very conservative strategy, and we're not going to stray. Now let me just drop this chart. We can take a quick look at gold and see if there's anything after we close the room. Beautiful short on gold. Another winner. And you see we have background bias, order flow, and momentum for 12. This one doesn't have order flow and momentum. I wouldn't have taken it. This is way, way off the 15. Doesn't have background, just doesn't have order flow and momentum. I wouldn't have taken any of those trades. This one I would have taken because I would have known from looking at my higher time frames that as soon as this trade closed, well, nope, the signal did not have order flow and momentum. I wouldn't have taken it. So we would have had one trade and one winner. And we're looking for specificity, not sensitivity. I don't care if we miss trades, as long as the trades I take are winners. Now, let's take a look at the Russell. Moving up. I don't see anything. That's a move up without order flow and momentum. That's a move down without bias. Nope, nothing on the Russell. But there was another beautiful trade on the ES. I'll show that to you right here. Look at that trade. Perfecto here with bias. This is a pivot breaking trade. And this is almost a 3-point move on the Russell. I'm sorry, on the ES. Just waiting for our set of signals. Now this is a little bit overbought. Let's see how far. Let's see how far overbought it is here. No, it's not overbought. That's a trade we could have taken. We've got background bias, order flow, momentum on a nice retracement, and here's another winner. 5 ticks. We've got 4 contracts out at 4. Would have done really, really well. So sticking conservatively, that is what we're going to do. And we're going to modify our ATM strategy. We're going to take that last contract off on a runner. So we're going to try to optimize on our net equity by monetizing a runner on the trade. And we're going to take a 9-tick runner on gold, crude, and the Russell, and we're going to take a 5-tick runner on the ES. So that's it for the day. We had a great day today, and we had 3 and out on Monday, 3 and out today on Thursday. We made money on Tuesday, and Wednesday we had a hard day. You'll see it posted. We lost just about $900, which is a lot. It was our biggest losing day in, I don't know, a couple of months. But once in a blue moon, you're going to get them if you don't stay dogmatically conservative, and that's what happened. It's not like it was bad luck. I look back on the trades I took were just poor trades, poor choices. So it wasn't that our system failed. It was that I became a little complacent, and when you have multiple winning days, it's what happens. It's not going to happen again. And the thing is, even with that loss, we're still up for the week. And if I can get 3 out tomorrow and get another $500, we'll still have a decent week, and we will still make on balance in February our $1,000 after commission total to give ourselves a $50,000 plus year in trading. So listen, everyone, have a great afternoon. And I really hope to see you in the trading room. We're the only company that makes these videos almost every single day, posts our net equity, and really shows you our strategy. I mean, we don't hide anything, and we put it all out there for you, warts and all. So listen, everyone, have a great. And so if you come with us, you know what you're getting. There's nothing hidden here. So take care. Have a great day. Oh, let me just give you the information for coming into the trading room. To sign up for a free trial, go to www.rightlinetrading.com. There you will see a link to our daily net equity in the trading room, a link to our daily net equity on the auto. The auto's been great. It's taken 4 trades this week and 4 winners. You're going to see a link to our daily. You're going to see a link to our free trial sign up. You're going to see a link also to our contact us page. You can email us directly at info@rightlinetrading.com. You can call us at 1-855-765-6681. We're tremendously available, which is really rare in this industry. I mean, you are not going to have to search around to find us. We are right out there. And it was one thing I wanted to mention, but we're coming out with our new direct entry trading tool, an even more effective direct entry system, the beginning of next week. And that's it. So listen, we really look forward to seeing you in the trading room, and I hope you have a really, really great afternoon.